Hello student, in your computer network. Next topic is cyclic code. What is cyclic code? The cyclic code are special linear block code with the one extra property we can have, that is called as a cyclic code. What is cyclic code? The cycle codes or special linear block code. Special linear block code. Block code with one extra property. One extra property we can have, that is called as a cyclic code. In your cyclic code, it is a code word. It is a cyclic code means it is a code word. Is cyclically we can use the code word. Then the reset of another code word. If the code word we can take some example, means whatever the code we can use, we can shift then the left side. That is the main reason we can use in a cyclic code in your computer network. In your cyclic code, it is the code word. Cyclic code, it is the one type of code word. This code word we can use means we can reset the another code. It means I will use the code word is 101100. I will use means it will be cyclically I will represent. It means it is a left shift, then we can shift the left side. It means I will write here, I will first code word, this one is I will consider as A naught, means A naught, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. This bit 6 bits we can 7 bit. It means I will consider A naught also. So this one is the A naught to A6 bit I have here. This is the code word. In your what is cyclic code means I will whatever the code I will taken, I will left shift, then this one I will shift here, sixth one. It means this one first I will take 0, then 1, then 1, then 0, then 0, then 0. It means this type of code word we can return in the computer network. This is the cyclic code. How we can follow the bits or how to shift the bits in your followed. It means first I will taken this one, I will taken as the A1, A2. This one I will taken as the B0 to B1, B2, B3. Value I will taken. This is check we can use. Next in your cyclic code we have a cyclic redundancy check method we can use to check the value. It means which one we can use? Cyclic redundancy check we can use. What is cyclic redundancy check? It means cyclic code or we can create it to correct errors, or a category of cyclic code we can call it as a cyclic redundancy check. That time we can use the network of LAN and WAN network we can use. In your cyclic redundancy check we can use the encoder also. What is encoder? In the encoder data works we can use the k bits of value we can take on. It means k bit of value means we can use the code words. We can use the code word as a number of bit. A number of bit we can use. The size of data words is added to the n minus or 0 to the right hand side such afterward. This one is the cyclic redundancy check. How to represent the cyclic redundancy check? I will return one figure. This one is the sender side. Here I will return this one is the sender side. This one is the receiver side. Sender side means we can use the data word. It will be encoding method. We can use the encoder. Here also we can use the decode method. We can use here encode method, here decode method, then here data words. What are the data words we can taken, or same information will taken, we can check sender to receiver. Here what are the data words I will taken? I will take 4 data words I will taken: A3, A2, A1 and A0. This code data words I will taken. This here what are the data we can transmit it into receiver? It means I will taken here A3, A2, A1, A0, and it will be generated. How to generate or how to receive the data? It means R2, R1 or not. How we can generate the data? We can see here. First we can connect the A3 to A3, A2 to A2 and A1 to A1 and A0 to A0. This value we can directly connect it to the data word to transmission data. Then afterwards we can check or generate the value. Here we can check now. This one is connected to generate, and this one also connected to generate, and this one also connected to generate, and this one also connected to generate. What are the encode value we can taken, or R value we can taken? Receive value I will taken 0 0 0 0. Here 0 0 0. It will be generate the value. This one will be, this 0 0 0 will be, we can represent in a R2, R1 and the R0. This whatever the data will be there in a sender side, we can transmit same data, we can transmit here, or we can convert the value. Unreliable transmission data we can represent in here. This one is the unreliable transmission. This one is the unreliable transmission. What are the unreliable transmission we can use in a receiver? Means here we can use the A1, A2, A3, A2, A1, A0. That type of data words we can use. Here we can use the B3, B2, B1, B0, then A2, A1, A0. It means we can check here. This one is the whatever the data we can take or transmitted to the sender to receiver. This one is the information is right or wrong, or information we can accept or reject the value. This one is we can check it here. See here we can write this side we can use the generator. It will be generate the value. Here we can checker. It means check the value. It means B3, then B2, B1 and B0. Then same data then A1, A2, A1, A0 value we can check here. Then B2, B3 we can take a one more option is decision logic. Here we can take a decision logic. Decision logic means we can check the B3, B2, B0 and B1. We can check here whatever the data we can accept here. It means what are the information we can taken or we can check here. A2, A1, A0. Same information also there in our sender type, sender side. It means A2, A1, A0 of information will be there in a sender side. So we can here accept the data. It means what are the data will be accept here? Just A3, A2, A1 and A0 data will be accepted, or decision logical code will be there here. This one is the data word. Whatever the data we can send here, same data word will be, we can receive the same, whatever the same information we can send, same information also we can receive. That is the main reason or main purpose we can use in a cyclic code check or redundancy check. Here we can use the divisor. It means we can use the D3, D2, D1, D0 of divisor. We can use in a sender to receiver. Between we can use the end result. When the input of to the generator, we can generate the divide the argumented data by the division module by division. It means it is called as the encoder. Decode means we can receive the corrupted data code. We can replace or we can finally clear the error. It is called as a decoder. Next one, how we can analyze the redundancy. It means coding method. Otherwise we can use the cyclic code. How we can analyze the cyclic code? It means we can analyzing perform the simple function we can use if the bit or all as either the leftmost bit of the code word, or we can accept it in a code word that is considering that is no over, otherwise the 4-bit or declared considering in a error or data. How we can analyzing this cyclic code means how to we can find out the errors or code word reminder we can means. I will take one small example. 1 0 0 0 1 1. This is the divisor, divisioner. Then here I will take a dividend. I will take 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. I will take. Now we can do the XOR operation. We can perform here. 1 1 1 0 1 1. It means what are the output will become? 1 1 means 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. Then we can, this value we can put it in a down. Which one? 0. Now we can take a next one. Which one? Now we can use the 0 divisor. It means 0. 0 means we can put it in a all 0. Then I will write 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1, then 0 0 0. Then this one I will consider as down. I will write 0. Then here we can neglect this one. Here also we can neglect this one. What are the second value will be there? That one 0 will be come means we can take on a 0. Sometimes 1 will be, it comes means we can take on a quotient of 1. I will take on. Here we can have a 1 here. It means I will take a 1 quotient. Then I will return here 1 1. Then 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. This value I will put in a down. Then here first one we not consider, so next one we can see here. Here we can have a 0. It means quotient also 0. 0, it means everything will be 0. What are the output we can got? 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. Here we can 0 0 we can got. This one is the remainder. Remainder is 1 1 0. This one is the quotient. This one is the dividend. This one is the divisor. This one is the remainder. This is your cyclic code of analyzer. How to analyze the cyclic code? It means we can see here in your book example also I will given here. See in your book here 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0. This one is the dividend they will given. This one is the divisor 1 1 0 0 1. Same thing 1. Why we can take a 1 means here we have a 1. So 1's the 1 1 0 0. Then we can add it, and whatever the next data will be there, that one is we can put it in a down. Then after we got here 0 we can got, so we can take here 0. Then same thing we can here see here we can have a 0 here, so we can take a 0. Then here we take a 1, so we take a 1 1's a. Then here we take a 0. It means I will take a 0. Then here we can check 1 will be there, so we can divisor the quotient is 1. Then here 0 we can got, so we take a quotient 0. This one is the remainder. This one is the remainder. This one is the quotient. This one is divisor and divisor. We can use in a CRC method, cyclic redundancy check method. We can use to analyze the value. Thank you.